Reporting here from my house. Well, I just heard from the news that the thing that's called toque de queda, that means that after 7 you can go out of your house. If not, you get arrested or you get a ticket for any of those things. So I'm gonna show you how the weather looks. It's not that bad yet since we're just getting hurricane winds. The hurricane haven't arrived here. It's supposed to get here at 2 a.m. in the morning, and we have tornado warnings and a lot of things, but I'm safe. We have those shutters on. It feels like a cave here, so let's see how it looks. Right now it's pretty calm, as you can see, some wind, but overall right now it's not raining. I've seen pictures from Hialeah and downtown that is flooded, from in Key Largo, that's where the eye hit it most. There were flooded roads like Hurricane Harvey in Texas, and in Hialeah there were some trees down, but here at my neighborhood, as you can see, everything is still in place. And yeah, we just have this window without shutters on so we can see how it looks, and so we be alert. Obviously for depression, because maybe since these are crystals, the windows, they can shatter, so you need to keep two open so the airflow can go in and out easily. Further updates, it's like 7:30 right now, and we heard in the news that hopefully we still have light, obviously, but we heard in the news that some hotel roof fell and they're like literally shattered the ground, and also that the shelters are full. Like, it's insane, and we still have no gas, no water, and people are going crazy. But by now you are supposed to be on the road or anywhere, since toque de queda already happened. Yeah, it's pretty calm right now, but if it get worse, I'm gonna vlog it, obviously, since I'm gonna guide you through this whole experience, and this is my first hurricane. So yeah, currently it's been about 30 to 35 minutes, and I've been receiving non-stop alerts, amber alerts for tornadoes. So I'm sorry for my speaking. I'm like shaking. I'm freaking out. As I said, this is my first hurricane, and I don't know. It's about 8:20, and this is an update from my bathroom, from the only window that is open. As you can see, it's raining a lot, but there's no wind for the moment. I mean, there's wind, there's like, it's so settled. Okay, so it's 1 hour away till the actual hurricane start hitting Florida. It's 3:09 right now, and it's supposed to hit the Florida Keys at 4 a.m. It originally was supposed to be here at 2 a.m., but right now where I live, I still have electricity, I still have everything. It's not raining, there's no wind, like everything is so chill. And yeah, let's see how it is tomorrow. I hope that it's not catastrophic. I'll keep you updated. Day 2. Morning, guys. It's about 10 a.m. in the morning, and I have no electricity already. I just woke up, and I'm gonna show you how this looks. This looks awful. So as you can see right there, it's super windy, and it's raining a lot, and you can hear a car horn non-stop. And yeah, I have 50% of battery. I forgot to charge my things 100% last night because I was too tired. So yeah, this is how it looks right now. I don't know if I'm gonna keep vlogging since I don't have that much battery. Maybe I wanna vlog when it gets like worse. Okay, so I'm currently editing the vlog, and let's see how it is outside. Here in my editing room. Didn't change that much. There are some branches on the floor and a tree right there. You can really see. But yeah, super dark. Look at this, guys. It's gray. And it haven't stopped raining. Okay, so right now I'm gonna try to build this 2 burn-in cam stove with line guard. I'm gonna try to do a time lapse, so let's see how it goes. Guys, look at this. This is nothing compared to St. Thomas, Barbados, or Cuba, or those little islands that got hit by Hurricane Irma, and since they didn't have that good of an structure, they didn't survive the impact. But these winds are pretty fast and strong, and in my room you could hear the shutters and the things slamming the shutters. Oh god. So this is how the storm looks right now. My mom's car is moving. I don't know if you can tell. It doesn't have the brakes. Yeah, this is pretty scary. It feels like the ceiling is gonna fall. Or it's gonna fly, like in movies like Twister. Oh my god, I'm risking my life! Oh shit, Irma, fuck you! Oh god. Bye bye. Bye bye. I'm going home. Yeah. There's a tree in my house. That happened. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Look at that. That's crazy. Good morning, guys. This is the next day and this is the aftermath. If you can see right there's some leaf in the floor. Branches. The same tree from yesterday is destroyed. Broken branches right there. My little tree is broken too. That is worse now. As you can see right there, the umbrella is completely broken. And we go to the front right there. The school alarms are going on. You see some palm trees on the floor too. My neighbor's palm tree destroyed. All the branches at the side of the road. After seeing that, I can see how blessed I am that I have a supportive structure that didn't happen anything. But you see those trees in those houses, like look at this tree, it's falling towards that fence. But the fire rescue is here, the ambulance is here, the police is coming here. This is insane. I'm just blessed that my family and I we were alive. We were alive, first of all, and that we didn't go out. But this is horrible, and thanks God it wasn't gonna enter from here. I don't want to know how Naples, Fort Myers, and Orlando it is. This is horrible, and it's gonna take a long time to recover. And yeah, that was the aftermath. Thanks for speaking with me. If you saw the video through the end, comment the word alive or safe. And if you live in Florida and you survived this, comment the word survive. Thank you so much for watching. I see you next week. Bye.